If you stay active on the internet, I am sure you have come across hilarious Messi and Ronaldo videos like this. These videos are going super viral, and even I, Show Speed, reacted to one of the videos. Just take a look at this Instagram account. It has more than 580,000 subscribers and it has only uploaded 38 videos. The crazy part is that this account started posting on October 19, 2024. This means the account gained all these followers in only about 4 weeks. Isn't that absolutely crazy? Now, this is their YouTube channel. You can see it has more than 7.5 million subscribers, and all they do is upload the same hilarious football short videos. And if you're wondering, yes, this YouTube channel is fully monetized, as you can see from here. According to Social Blade, they are earning a good chunk of money every single month. You see, YouTube will monetize videos like these as long as you put in the necessary effort. This means ensuring high quality editing and using good voiceovers. But it's also crucial that the content provides some kind of value to the audience. If you play one of the videos, you can see that they use AI images and then turn them into videos. And the most important part, every single video has a hilarious story, and that is the main reason these videos are going absolutely viral. Now, I have looked for multiple tutorials on how to make videos like this, and I haven't found any satisfactory tutorials. In some videos, the thumbnail image is very good, but once I see the end result, it's something completely different. That's why I took matters into my own hands, started doing my own research, and finally found the perfect free method to generate videos exactly like this. Hello everyone, my name is Wealth, and I make AI tutorial videos that are simple and easy to understand. In today's video, I will show you how you can create these kinds of viral Messi and Ronaldo videos. Here is a quick example of what we are going to make today.
I need to cut my hair today.
Hello Leo, how are you? Come and sit.
I will show you every single step in detail and will put the links to the tools I'm using in the description. Also, make sure you watch the video till the end because I will tell you a few amazing ways you can earn money from YouTube even before getting monetized. Now, without any more delays, let's get started. We will do this in 4 easy and simple steps. Step number 1, story. As I have mentioned earlier, this is one of the most important parts of the video. If you have a funny story, the chances of your videos going viral are much higher. Now, when I say story, that doesn't mean you have to come up with a story like Christopher Nolan. A simple, funny, and engaging story would work. You can also take inspiration from these videos and tweak the stories a little bit to make them unique. For this video, I'm going to recreate this viral video. So I have created a simple draft of all the scenes and their order like this. Step number 2, images. Now this is the most important part of the video. Only having a good story won't work. You will have to pair it with great high quality images because without good images you won't be able to create great videos. After testing multiple image generators, I have come up with 2 different tools that can generate high quality images of celebrities. I will generate the images using both tools and you can decide which one to go for. The first tool we will be using is called Recraft. It has been creating a lot of buzz on the internet because it has been ranked as the #1 AI image generator in terms of quality, leaving behind Midjourney and Flux. I have been personally using this tool for a while and it is really impressive. I have already made a very detailed tutorial on how to use this tool, so you can check that out if you want. To get started, simply click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, they will give you 50 free credits to generate images. Each image you create costs 1 credit. So with 50 credits, you can create 50 images and the credits renew every day, which is awesome. Now, once you are in, you will see an interface like this. You might see some example images like this. Just press Ctrl+A to select all of them and then hit delete on your keyboard. Next, click on image and select the image style from here. As you can see, there are multiple styles available. I am just going to use the photoreal option. Next, we need to give it a prompt. Now, according to my draft, the first scene is Ronaldo cutting Neymar's hair. So I will give it this prompt. And if you are not sure about the prompt, just paste the scene details into ChatGPT and ask it to create an image prompt. It will generate a high quality image prompt for you. After that, you can select the desired aspect ratio from here. I will select 9:16. Next, you can select how many images to generate. The default value is 2, but if you want more, then you need to get their subscription. I will choose 1, and after that, you don't need to do anything else. Just hit generate, and here is the output. You can see it looks good, and the image is also high quality, but honestly, I still feel that the face is a little bit different. It's not accurate. Definitely not the result I am looking for. Now, Recraft has the ability to generate awesome celebrity images, but I have found that if you give it a complex prompt, it doesn't do very well. One more drawback is that no matter what I do, I can never make the subject face the camera. It is always looking either left or right or anywhere but the center. Now, for our next image generator, we will be using Ideagram. It is also a very highly ranked image generator, and it creates really high quality images of any celebrity. To get started, just click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you will get 10 credits to generate images, through which you can generate 40 images, and the credits renew every day, which is great. Now in the prompt section, I will give the exact same prompt I used in Recraft. Then make sure the 9:16 aspect ratio is selected. After that, you don't need to change anything. Just click on generate. Here is the output. You can see it has generated 4 images, and all of them look absolutely stunning. Here is a side-by-side comparison between Ideagram and Recraft. You can see that the Ideagram image looks way better in terms of quality and face accuracy. So I will use Ideagram to generate all the images required. Let's generate another one. This time I'm going to use this prompt for scene number 2, and here is the output. As you can see, it looks absolutely stunning, and the text is also perfect. Now you need to repeat this process until you generate all the images required. Step number 3, generating videos. Now to generate the videos, there are so many options, but the video generator we will be using today is better than all the others. To turn the images into videos, we will use a tool called Minimax AI. It is hands down the best AI video generator I have ever used. I've already made a very detailed tutorial on how to use this tool to create amazing videos, so feel free to check that out. To get started, just click the link in the description and sign up with your email ID. After signing up, you will get 100 free credits to generate videos, and the credits renew every day, which is awesome. They used to give 3 days of unlimited generation for new users before, but now they have stopped it. Now to generate the video, click on the image to video option and upload the generated image here. Next, you can give it a prompt. I will give it a simple prompt like this. If you want any prompt guidance, you can click here and you will find all kinds of prompt tips to generate the best results. After that, I'll simply click on generate and let the AI do its magic. Here is the output. This looks really great. Now you need to keep in mind that you might not get the result you are looking for on the first try. So you need to keep experimenting with prompts to get the best results. Let's generate one more. This time I'm going to use this image, give it this prompt and hit generate. And here is the output. This looks really nice. Trust me, I have used multiple video generators, but nothing comes close to this in terms of creating real movements. I know the generating speed is a little bit slow because of the huge demand, but hey, it's free, so no complaints, and if you want faster results, you can always get their subscription. I've purchased the standard plan and it cost me only 850 rupees, which is very reasonable. Step 6. Editing the video. We'll use Capcut for editing because it's free and easy to use. If you're in India, you can use Proton VPN, which is free for life, to access Capcut. I'll put the link in the description. First, open Capcut and import the video clips here, then drag and drop them into the timeline one by one according to your story. This step is very important, so make sure you place the clips accordingly and adjust the length of each video clip. Now, the first thing I would like to do is add a small watermark so that even if someone uses the video, my account name will show. It's also good for branding. To do that, go to the text tab and add a text layer to the timeline. Adjust the length to fit the entire video. Next, write the name of your account like this. Then select the font you like from the available options. Adjust the size and position of the watermark. Then go to the blend section and lower the opacity slightly, but not too much. Next, let's add a filter to make the video look more appealing. First, go to the filters tab and choose a filter you like. I'm going to use this one, so I'll drag and drop it into the timeline and adjust its length to fit the entire video. You can change the filter intensity from here based on your preference. Now let's add some funny Ronaldo and Messi voiceovers. This step is not mandatory, but it can make the videos even funnier. First, I've downloaded these funny sound clips of Ronaldo and Messi that I'll use. I will put the download link in the description if you want to use them. For custom voiceovers, let me show you a tool where you can generate celebrity voices for free. The tool is called FineShare. It's great for generating celebrity voices that sound pretty real. To get started, simply click on the link in the description and choose the voice characters from here. As you can see, there are multiple options available. After that, write the text here, then click on generate and let it process the result. Now, let's play it to hear how it sounds.
Hello, Leo. How are you? Come and sit.
That was really great, wasn't it? Now, use the same method to generate Messi's voice. Next, come back to Capcut and add all the sound effects one by one according to the scenes. This step is crucial, so ensure the sounds are perfectly synced with the visuals. To adjust the volume, click on the sound clip, then adjust the volume from here. Finally, I'll add the background music I downloaded from the YouTube music library and adjust its length. And now, our video is ready. Simply click on the export button to export the video. Now let's play it to see the final result.
I need to cut my hair today.
Hello, Leo. How are you? Come and sit.
¿Qué mira, bobo? ¿Qué mira, bobo?
You are very naughty, Cristiano.
Looks pretty good, doesn't it? I was able to create this within a few minutes with so little effort. Now imagine the kind of content you can create with a bit more effort and creativity. And now let me show you a few ways to earn money from uploading videos without monetization. First, you can use Amazon affiliate links. Simply become an Amazon affiliate, then promote products in your video description and earn a commission whenever someone makes a purchase through your link. Another option is to sell posters, frames, and merch. You can take orders through WhatsApp or Instagram DMs and fulfill those orders using services like Quick Ink or Printrove. This way, you can turn your creative content into physical products that people can buy. And remember, one video alone cannot change everything. You need to be consistent with your uploads, and you should have patience. If you follow these two things, then I'm 100% sure you'll see success. Otherwise, it will all remain a dream. Trust me guys, people are making tons of money by creating AI videos like this, and you can do it too. Just believe in yourself and start taking action. I'm always here to help you guys. You just need to take the first step, which is the hardest part. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.